Bear at the bird feeder. Didn't realize they were hitting them. We're feeding the birds. I guess we're feeding the bear. He's not very big. He's having a feast. He's done that about, what, 10 times?
Yeah.
Walked away and come back?
Yep.
Walked away and come back. Hey, Mr. Bear. You are cute.
Yeah, he's probably only a year and a half old. Oh, no. Yeah. Born not this spring, the spring before. He's probably just under 100 pounds. Actually, he's live weight. He's probably over 100 pounds. There he goes. He's going to pull the damn thing over now. Look, 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 look.
He's just pulling it into his mouth, and he's just
Yeah.
like
Yeah, that's right.
letting it run in. You know, as much as the Kellys get them, we don't get them very often down here.
Well, we do. The trouble is we never see them.
Hmm.
I mean, look, the feeder he's eating out of has been wrecked by bears at least twice.
Yeah, true.
Just ours usually come at night.
Hmm. What was up on the rock? Was that bread or?
No, apple and squash.
Oh.
Apple and squash skins.
Oh, skins. Yep. Hmm.
See the inside of his ears, the outside of his ears is brown. See that?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm.